Hey, what's going on, everybody? So by popular demand, this is the video I've been promising for a while for the what do you call it, the 5-gallon bucket open feeder. So this one is a Lowe's bucket. Now what I don't like about the Lowe's bucket, and maybe it's an option, I just did not get the right lid, but the lid that I had did not have a rubber seal. So when you put that lid on top and you flip this thing over, it'll work for about a week fairly well. And then as that seal that does not have the rubber gasket on it starts to leak, you'll lose sugar syrup all over the place. But making these is super easy. So you'll see on the inside here where I put an X, if I can get that zoomed in, there's an X right here. And there is one also on the opposite side right here. Again, this is an old feeder, so hopefully you can see where I've made that X. What I'm marking is, I'm marking where the handle comes in. You're not going to drill there. But as you can see, if I can get this thing zoomed in close enough, let me flip it over here. Let's do it this way. Nope, not going to work. Okay, we'll go back over here. There's a hole right here, a hole right here. What you're doing is you're taking this outside area here. This is really goofy for me to try and hold this in this position. These are the troughs that are going to feed the honeybees in here. So you're going to drill a hole on the inside about halfway down, and that's going to allow the sugar syrup to come through. So when you look at it from this side, this is where you see there's a hole here, 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 going all the way around this top, with the exception of the two spots where I made an X. Now what you're going to need for this is a 7/64 drill bit. I got this whole pack of them. I think there's 7 of them in there. I got from Harbor Freight for about $2.50. But again, it's 7/64, so the size you're going to need. You'll just drill those only through the inside, obviously not through the outside here, okay? That's going to allow you to make your 5-gallon open feeder. Talk to you later.